My dear students, in this video lecture, I will explain you how to represent irrational numbers on the number line by spiral method. Now, you know very well that in previous lecture, I have told you that root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, they all are irrational numbers, correct? तो सबसे पहले इस लेक्चर में हम रूट 2 और रूट 3 को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. सबसे पहले मैं लिख देता हूँ लोकेट अंडर रूट 2 on the number line. Locate under root 2 on the number line. Now this under root 2 is a positive rational number, correct? अब देखो सबसे पहले what I am doing is that I am drawing a number line. Suppose I am drawing a number line using centimeter scale. Using centimeter scale. In the middle of number line, I am marking 0. Now from here I will measure 1 centimeter and mark it as 1. Again I will measure 1 centimeter and mark it as 2. To the left of 0 again I will measure 1 centimeter and mark it as minus 1. So this is the number line formed using centimeter scale. Now what I have told you that this under root 2 is a positive rational number. इसका मतलब ये है that location of root 2 will be towards right of 0. सबसे पहली चीज. अब देखो. Now next thing is we need to locate this under root 2 on the number line using spiral method. Now in spiral method, what we do that on this number line we draw right angle triangle. We draw right angle triangle. सबसे पहले एक ऐसा रफ फिगर बना लिया right angle triangle. Now to represent this under root 2 on the number line, first you need to get this hypotenuse equal to under root 2. सबसे पहले ये hypotenuse जो है ये under root 2 के इक्वल आना चाहिए. तो ये कैसे ऑब्टेन होगा देखो. Suppose if you take length of OA equal 1 unit and length of AB also equal to 1 unit, and then if you apply Pythagoras theorem, then you can say that OB square, this is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, and this will give us 1 square plus 1 square, this will give you 2. OB square is 2. This implies length of OB, this is how much? Under root 2. So length of OB is how much? Under root 2. So in this manner we can obtain length of OB equal to under root 2 if we consider base equal 1 unit and perpendicular equal 1 unit, where 1 unit is equal to how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. ठीक है. तो देखो सबसे पहले suppose this point 0 on this number line is represented by letter capital O, and this point 1 on the number line is represented by letter capital A. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले हमने OA को क्या कंसीडर करना है? 1 यूनिट. सो वी हैव कंसीडर OA equal 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Now at A, what we have done? We have drawn a perpendicular. So we need a perpendicular over here also. So pick your compass, take a radius of around 7 to 8 millimeters. Place the needle of the compass at point 1 and radius of around 7, 8 or 9 millimeter. Cut an arc over here. Now without changing the radius, place the needle over here and cut an arc over here. Again place the needle over here and cut an arc over here. Then after that place the needle over here and cut an arc over here. Place the needle over here and cut an arc over here. Then join them. So in this manner you will get a ray AX, where this ray AX is perpendicular to this number line. Now अब देखो, what is the length of AB over here? 1 unit. Length of AB is 1 unit. So over here what we'll do is, again we'll take 1 centimeter radius on our compass. We'll take 1 centimeter radius on our compass and place needle at point 1, or you can say at point A, and cut an arc over here. So suppose this is the arc AB whose length is how much? 1 unit. correct? So right now we have obtained our AB whose length is also equal to 1 unit. Now in the next step, what we have done, we have joined OB. So over here also we will join OB over here. In this manner, this triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. Where length of OB is under root 2. Where length of OB is under root 2. Now, but we need to represent this under root 2 on the number line. Right? This under root 2 is what? Hypotenuse. Correct? We need to represent this under root 2 on the number line. अब ये कैसे होगा देखो. Now again pick your compass. Place the needle of the compass at point O and pencil at point B. इस तरह से. With O as center and radius equal to OB, draw an arc which meets the number line. Draw an arc which meets the number line at a point, say P. At a point, say P. Now this point P on the number line will represent under root 2. This point P on the number line will represent under root 2. अगर आपको चेक भी करना तो कैसे चेक कर सकते हो? Pick your centimeter scale, measure the length of OP. If the length of OP is slightly greater than 1.4 but less than equal to 1.5, but less than 1.4 से हल्का ज़्यादा 1.5 तक भी अगर आ रहा है then the construction is 100% correct. आई बात समझ में? Now अब हमने यहाँ पर जो भी किया है उसके स्टेप्स उसको स्टेप वाइज लिख लेते हैं. So what will be step 1? सबसे पहला स्टेप होगा आपका that draw number line. And take a point 0 where 0 is represented by O and point 1 is represented by A and 1 is represented by A. Take point number 2. Then length of O is how much? 1 unit. Point number 3. In third point, what we have done? We have drawn AB perpendicular to OA. So I draw AB perpendicular to OA. And what is the length of AB? 1 unit. So write such that AB, this is equal to 1 unit. In the next step, we have joined OB. So write join OB. And why we have joined OB? To get right angle triangle. What is the name of right angle triangle? Right. Now, in right angle triangle, what is the name of this right angle triangle? OAB. OAB. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. What is hypotenuse? OB. So write OB square. This is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, and this will give you 2. OB square is equal to 2. This implies OB is equal to how much? Under root 2. The length of OB is how much? Under root 2. But we need to represent under root 2 on the number line. So what we have done in the next stage, we have measured OB. So right, with O as center, with O as center and radius OB, draw an arc, draw meets, which meets the number line, which meets the number line at a point P, at a point P, thus point P on the number line, thus point P on the number line, on the number line represent under root 2. Thus point P on the number line under root represent under root 2. So this is the way of locating under root 2 on the number line by spiral method. Now after this I will explain you how to locate under root 3 on the number line. Now we are locating under root 3 on the number line by spiral method. Now if you want to locate under root 3 on the number line by spiral method, first you will locate under root 2. First you will locate under root 2. देखो सबसे पहले हमने under root 2 को locate कर दिया है. Now we have discussed earlier that whatever irrational you want to represent, that irrational must be hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. इसका मतलब ये है कि again for this root 3 we need to create one more right angle triangle above this right angle triangle OAB. ठीक है, तो देखो वो जो right angle triangle रहेगा वो कुछ इस तरह से दिखाई देगा. And in this right angle triangle, OB will be the base. OB will be the base. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. I have taken one more point SC over here. This is right angle triangle. Length of OB is how much? Under root 2. Correct? फिर से again we will consider length of perpendicular equal to what? 1 unit. Again we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So this time OC square, this will be equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This root 2 square is what? 2 plus 1 square is what? 1. 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. So OC square, this is equal to 3. This implies OC is equal to what? Under root 3. आई बात समझ में? ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर हमें root 3 रिप्रेजेंट करना है, so first we will consider OB equal under root 2 and BC equal to 1 unit. ठीक, so first thing is देखो we have drawn perpendicular at B. Same thing will be done over here. B पर हम perpendicular draw करेंगे using compass. So again pick your compass and take a small radius and point your with B as center. With B as center, cut an arc in this manner. यहाँ पर इस तरह से like this. Suppose this is your arc. Now without changing the radius, now place the needle of the compass at this point and cut an arc over here. यहाँ पर रख के एक arc इधर काट दीजिए like this. Then again placing the needle of the compass at this point, cut an arc over here. Then placing needle of the compass at this point, cut an arc over here like this. Then इसको ऐसे join कर देते हैं. This is your ray BY. This is your ray BY. Now what is the length of BC over here? 1 unit. Now again on compass we will take 1 centimeter radius. Then place the needle at point B and draw an arc equal to 1 centimeter. Suppose ये आपका arc आ गया like this. Suppose this point is what? C. And the length of BC is how much? 1 unit. Mark it as 1 unit. In the next step, join OC. Join OC. This is OC over here. So in this manner, again we have obtained a right angle triangle OBC where length of OC is how much? Under root 3. But we need to represent this under root 3 on the number line. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Again, pick your compass, place the needle at point O and pencil at C like this. Place the needle at point O and pencil at C. and draw an arc which meets the number line at a point say Q, which meets the number line at a point say Q. This point Q on the number line will represent under root 3. Now if you want to check whether your construction is 100% correct or not, measure OQ, measure the length of OQ, and if the length of OQ is slight more than 1.7 सेंटीमीटर बट लेस देन 1.8, और अगर इवन 1.8 है तब भी ये क्या है, बिल्कुल 100% करेक्ट है. So in this manner we have located root 3 on the number line, and you can write step of construction by yourself. So in this lecture right now we have studied how to locate under root 2 and under root 3 on the number line by spiral method. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.